Hey, Samuel Leeds here, and I just want to apologise on this video because yesterday we put out a little trailer for the Financial Freedom Challenge, which is basically, I said that when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to drive to someone's house and live with them for 7 days and basically help them become financially free. And as it happens, I went earlier. We did this, I think it was last month, put the video together. And I said, when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna release the video. We hit 100,000 subscribers yesterday. So firstly, thank you massively for everyone who subscribed. So the video, we're gonna put the link up, I think in the next 24 hours as a premiere, and it's gonna be live to watch on our next Monday video, which is gonna be 7 p.m. on Monday. I am extremely sorry from the bottom of my heart that we've had to make you wait this long. I know people yesterday when we put a little trailer out on it were like, Samuel, just put it out now. Listen, the reason it's taken a little bit longer than we hoped to put out is just because, number one, I wanted certain bits to be in there, some follow-up bits to make sure that the story was as accurate as possible. And also, this is a full documentary. This is not like a 20-minute video. So this is A to Z what happened of the week. And it's like an hour and 20 minutes. So it's almost like a movie of me living in someone's house for a week. It was challenging. There were some really hard times. I didn't expect it to be as hard as it was. And I don't know if I've got it in me to ever do anything even like that again. But what I will say is that on Monday at 7 p.m, the full thing's coming out and there's a lot of lessons in there for sure. So I haven't really got much else to say apart from I'm really sorry, folks. I'm sorry for making you wait this long. I am on 100,000. It is going to be our next video, which is going to be on Monday. Thank you for your patience. Please do put it in your diary, man. Put it in your diary because I don't think there's anything like this before. Me moving to someone's house, last minute, living with them for a week. This person as well, Glenn, when I went to his house, zero money, zero properties, zero property experience. CCJ, county court judgment against his name, no belief, serious issues, you know, also not just emotionally, but also physically. And it was an emotional week. Trying to help someone like that going to property is an emotional week, but I learned loads and I think you will too. So Monday, 7 p.m, it's coming. Put it in your diary. Thank you so much for your support. And again, sorry to make you wait so long. It will be worth the wait. I promise the documentary is going to be worth the wait.